In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rules in Asana, a popular tool for project management that helps teams organize, manage, and track their work. Today, we'll focus on how you can enhance your workflow by creating automation through Asana Rules, a feature designed to streamline your processes and keep everything running effortlessly. Once you're logged in, let's take a moment to understand what Asana Rules are. Essentially, rules in Asana are automated actions triggered when specific conditions are met. This feature is particularly helpful for managing tasks, sending notifications, assigning responsibilities, and updating statuses, all without requiring manual intervention. This allows you to focus on more critical parts of your work, rather than getting bogged down by repetitive tasks. Let's discuss how you can create these rules. There are two options: using the Custom Rules Builder to craft rules that suit your specific needs, or applying handy pre-made rules. Both are valuable tools, depending on whether you want to start from scratch or use a ready-made template. Alright, let's get hands-on and create a rule in Asana. To begin, navigate to the project where you're looking to automate tasks. Open that project, and then direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're there, you'll notice a section dedicated to rules. Here, you have the choice to create a rule using a set of templates, or, if you're feeling creative, to build your own. Next, you'll be selecting a trigger. A trigger is essentially an event that activates your rule. This could be anything from a task being marked as complete to the due date of a task approaching. Once you've chosen a trigger, the next step is to set an action. Think of the action as the output, or what you want to happen once the trigger is activated. For instance, you might want to assign the task to someone specific, change the task status, or even move it to another section for further progress. With your trigger and action set, it's time to finalize by saving the rule. Give your rule a descriptive name so you can easily identify its purpose later, and then click Publish Rule. Now, your rule is set up and ready to make your workflow that much easier. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for effective automation. Start by keeping your rules simple to avoid unnecessary complexity, particularly at the beginning. Test your rules on a small batch of tasks before applying them more broadly to ensure they work as expected. Feel free to combine multiple rules for enhanced automation. And importantly, review your rules regularly to adjust or disable any that might no longer suit your process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create powerful automations within Asana, elevating your productivity and leaving you with more time to focus on your most important tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.